Hey everyone, Ryan B with Practical Forex Trading here. This is your weekly analysis for the euro versus the US dollar. The date is January 31st, 2021. It's 12:09 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you want to learn more about all our different trading stuff, make sure you check out our social profiles, which are linked in the description for this video. And if you want to learn how to trade, we also have a product now that you can get into on the Udemy platform called Trading Trends for Profit. So let's go ahead and talk about the euro. So my sentiment is bullish. I believe we're going to see more movement up in this currency pair. Let's go ahead and lay out the why. So we see three moving averages, a 20 and a 50 and a 200. And right now price is moving below the fast moving average, which has not really put into buy territory. It's not exactly a sell as long as price hangs in this consolidation band. Sometimes your best buy or sell is when price pulls back in between the 20 and the 50. And now you can see these averages are contracting. They're getting closer together, which we see happened here in the past, and kind of the sideways action. And all that really means is price is consolidating before its next move up. We're still moving well above the 200-day moving average, which typically is a buy signal. You can see here, right, if you were just to use that strategy alone, if you were to buy when price moved above the 200 moving average and sell and move below, you'd probably be doing pretty well. Let's go ahead and lay out our trend lines and support and resistance. So I'm going to go ahead and map out this. This is the bottom channel we've been discussing. This is a low trend channel that's been going on for a couple of years. And we can identify a more recent opportunity by cloning that trend line. We move that clone line up here to a time frame more relevant, right? So this is price action over the last 6 months or so. Now you can see we're still moving fairly well above that. Let's go ahead and map out our horizontal support and resistance. So we see here about this line, we can see price every time it pushed up into it was rejected for a while, and finally it moved back atop, so resistance became support. So that's confirmed support down at 1.19. However, price is looking pretty elevated, so let's go ahead and clone this again. We could consider this an intraday or almost a 4-hour trend line. And we move that here, and we see price is really hovering above that, right? So price is between the contracting 20 and 50 moving day averages. Price is also above here. Let's go ahead and map out one more support and resistance line. The peak of this September 1st trading action. Also the peak of December 1st trading, or excuse me, November 30th trading action. And we can see price has not fallen below that here. Even with our most recent sell-off, price is holding above that. So hence why I'm bullish. I'm going to put my stops below 1.20. That puts me right below the support line of 2012. And my first limit target is going to be for around 1.23 at our most recent high, which occurred in early January. And actually, let me go ahead and tuck this down here. This is probably a better target, 22.76. Price may push up into it. It may not, but here, if I cash out here, I at least could walk with a pretty good profit of 130 or so plus pips. So that's my Euro USD weekly analysis. Good luck trading out there. Talk soon.